The question is how to relax. Sounds easy, but actually, for some people, it's very, very difficult. Getting your body in a relaxed state can greatly not just help you sleep, but it can help endurance. If you're an athlete, many athletes out there, especially the top ones, actively practice relaxing, and it really helps their performance. It can help their speed, their reaction time, and in general, the more you relax, the better concentration you're going to have, the more focus you'll have, the better you can learn. So relaxation is something that is really not emphasized enough. Most people go through life one big ball of stress. And I'm going to actually put you through a little exercise to help you, and I recommend you actively do this on a regular basis. Question is, where do you hold your tension? Is it in your back, in your chest, in your head? We'll go through that. So you're probably seated right now, which is perfect. So I'm going to walk you through this exercise. We're going to be going through your body and helping you relax every single part. And then what you want to do is maintain that new level of relaxation through various activities, whether it's driving down the street, going through a stressful situation, going to work. But I'm not saying drop your production. You just want to relax while you're working, while you're driving, and you're going to sleep much better. All right, the first thing we're going to do while you're sitting there, I want you to take all the tension out of your forehead, all the wrinkles, the creases. Relax your forehead, okay? Just let it go. Now, what about your scalp? Is there any tension in your scalp? Relax your scalp. Just let it go. Relaxation is kind of just doing nothing. You're not focusing on anything specifically. You're just letting it go. All right, now let's talk about your eyes. There's quite a few muscles around the eyes. Relax all of the muscles around the eyes and just let the eyes go limp in their sockets. Good, you got that? Good. Try to relax it more. Just let it go and just melt those muscles. All right, let's talk about the breathing. You want to slow down your breath and have a nice equal breathing in and breathing out. And as you breathe out, just relax your chest. All right, now let's talk about your jaw. The jaw muscles probably are going to be holding the most tension of your entire body. So I want you just to relax your jaw muscles, let them go to the point where your mouth actually opens. Can you do that? You're going to find that your upper back starts to relax when your jaw is relaxed. So many people are grinding their teeth at night and they're holding so much tension in their jaw. So even when you actually eat, you want to relax your jaw muscles because that's where a lot of tension builds up. All right, now let's relax your lips and your tongue, and then let's relax the neck. Let's start with the front of the neck. Any tension going on with the front of the neck, just let it go. All right, now let's go to the back of the neck. This is where a lot of people have a lot of tension, so just let it go and relax the back of your neck. And then the upper shoulders, the trapezius muscles. That's the muscles on the top of the shoulders. Let's start with the right side. Just let that muscle go. Just pretend like it's melting right now. All right, let's do the right arm. Let's do the bicep. That's the muscle in the front part. Now let's do the back part. That's a tricep. Just let it go. And then the forearm. Just relax your right hand. Let's do the left trap and shoulder right now. Just let it go. Relax it. All right, now the upper arm muscle called the bicep, that's in the front part. Let that thing go. And then let go of the tricep. That's the back part. Just allow it to melt. And then the left forearm, just relax those muscles. And then relax the left hand. So now your upper body should be very, very nice, relaxed. But let's go to the front part of the chest. All the muscles in between the rib cage, just let them go as you're breathing slowly in and out. All right, let's talk about the stomach. So many people are holding in their stomach all day long because they don't want it to protrude. But in this exercise, I want you just to let it go and let your stomach go out and just relax all the muscles superficially and deeper, okay, right around the stomach area and the lower abdomen. Let's go to the back, the mid-back. You have different muscles that are around the scapula. Let those go and just relax those muscles. If you feel like slouching, go right ahead. Now, don't put too much effort into relaxation because that's going to tense you up. We're trying to just maintain regular, slowed breathing and relax all of your muscles. And as you breathe out, try to relax more of these muscles even more. All right, now let's go to the lower back. This is a common area where there's a lot of stress. Try to just let those muscles go. You have muscles that come up, you got muscles on the inside, you have muscles that come around at the top of the buttocks muscle, you have all sorts of internal muscles to just melt those muscles. Let them go, take all the tension out of that low back. If you have pain, your pain will probably be going away while you're doing this. Any tension that you have anywhere in that area, just allow it to let go. You got that? All right, we're gonna go down the right leg, okay, and hip. On the front part of the thigh, just relax that part of the body and let it go. Let's go to the back of the leg on the right side, the hamstring. Allow that to totally relax so there's no tension in that upper leg. Now let's relax the calf and the front part of your shin, right below the knee. Just let that go. Now let's relax your foot and all of your toes. Just allow the air of your body to completely let go. All right, now let's go to the left side of the body, starting with the upper thigh, and relax that muscle. It's called the quadriceps. Let that thing relax. Good. Now let's go to the back part of the leg and do the hamstring. Just allow it to let go and relax 100%. Good, moving right down, we got the calf. Let the calf relax fully. If there's any tension in there, just relax it. Then go right to the front part of your thigh and let that go. Good. Now let's go down to the foot. Let your foot and the toes just totally melt and relax. So you should now be in a very comfortable state of well-being, fully relaxed, and I'd highly recommend you make a habit of doing this every single day until it's an automatic thing that you can maintain this level of relaxation through the day, and especially before you go to bed at night. You're gonna find your sleeping is gonna improve, you're gonna feel healthier, and you're gonna actually have a lot less stress. All right, do you feel more relaxed now? This is a very important state to be in. So the more stress you go through, the more you should maintain that overall body relaxation to keep your stress lower, to counter the stress. But the key is maintaining it. All right, go ahead and comment down below, and I will see you in the next video.